Hi guys, today we'll check on another method on dictionary, that is pop method. Now this method is used to remove an item with the specified key from a dictionary and return its value. So it will remove that item and provide you with the value of that particular key. Yeah. Now how it works? You provide the pop method with a key as its argument. If the key exists in the dictionary, the method removes the key value pair both from the dictionary and returns the corresponding value. So if I remove, suppose I have a key value pair as A and 1. So A is the key, 1 is the value. So if I say pop A, it will remove A and 1 both, but it will return a value that is 1, which was corresponding to that key. Now, if the key does not exist, the method raises the key error. Okay, unless a default value is provided as the second argument. So let's first understand the syntax. So the syntax for this is the dictionary dot pop, and then you have to specify the key. Okay, and there is a default value which is optional, which you can specify. The important things that you need to remember is you need to provide a key within the argument, and it will remove both the key and value from the dictionary. Yeah. So key is a required parameter. So in the above, key is the required parameter and default is an optional parameter. So if specified key is not found in the dictionary, the pop method returns the default value. If the default parameter is not provided, the key is not found, there is a key error that will come up. You need to understand that. Okay. And these are notes which you need to remember. Okay. So this method as a return value will return value of that specified key. So let's understand a basic example of pop method and see its values as well. Yeah. So suppose I have this dictionary, my take equals to A, A, comma 1, oh sorry, 1. Yeah. I have this dictionary, B as A corresponding to 1, B is corresponding to C, and C. What I'm doing is I'm using storing the value of this method. As I said earlier, it will give you the value. Yeah. So I'll say the value is, yeah, and this will be your updated dictionary. Since using pop, I have removed a particular item within the dictionary. Yes. So we'll see what happens when I run the pop method. I'm trying to remove, suppose I try to remove B, which has the value as 2. So this will store the value of this method, and then it will also remove this entire key and value from this dictionary and update this dictionary. So let's see. What is the output? You can see this. So the value of B was 2. So this is a returning value using this method. And this is our updated dictionary since we have removed this key and value using the pop method. Yeah. Suppose I do not have a particular pop uh, removing key which is not available in dictionary using pop method. Yeah. What happens? We'll check that. So suppose I have this same dictionary A, B, and C, and I'm trying to remove this item which is not available, this key which is not available. So D is not available in the above dictionary. Yeah. And we'll try to find out what happens if I try to run this. Yeah. Since D is not there, let's see what it gives me. Yeah, it gives me a key error since D is not available. Give a key error. Yeah, key which is not available in directory using pointer will give a key error. Now, what I need to do in this case, I need to use a default value. Default value in pop method. Yeah. So I'm using the same information which we have used earlier, but the only change that we made is in this particular code, I have used a default value. So I am popping D since D is not available, but I'm giving a default value so that the error doesn't throws out. Yeah. And the original dictionary will show as it is since we do not have D. So let's see what happens. You can see this. So the default value is 4. Hence, it is not showing you the error as it has shown you earlier. And the dictionary is as it is because we do not have D as one of the one of the keys within the dictionary. Yeah. So this is how you can avoid error within the, or I can say here, in spite of 4, I could say key not available. Yeah. I can say it this way. Yeah. Or you can run an expression, whatever is feasible for you. So what we have seen over here is how we can use pop method to pop items directly from your dictionary. And if that particular key is not available within the dictionary, then to avoid this kind of error, how we can use a default value so that it runs the code properly. Also, we have seen how we can store this value which is returned using the pop method in a variable as well. Yeah. So this is how you can use pop method to update your dictionary or remove unwanted items from your dictionary to do your data analysis. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like this, share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Um, Do comment if you have any views or any inputs on this videos and examples that I have shown you. I try to make them as simple as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such kind of informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much, guys.